Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to make a smart railway crossing using Arduino Uno. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one PIR sensor, two micro servo, two LEDs, one breadboard, and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to make the circuit. So first of all, let us see how to connect this PIR sensor. This sensor has total 3 terminals. First is a ground terminal that will be connecting to the GND pin of this Arduino. The second one is the power terminal that will connect to the 5V pin of this Arduino, and the third is the signal terminal that will connect to this 13 number pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this LED. So we will connect this cathode terminal of this LED to the GND pin of this Arduino and the anode terminal of it to the 6 and 7 number pin of this Arduino respectively. After it, let us see how to connect this micro servo. So it has also total 3 terminals. First is the ground that will connect to this GND pin of this Arduino. Second is the power that will connect to this 5V pin of this Arduino. And the third one is the signal that will connect to this 2 and 3 number pin of this Arduino respectively. So in this way, our circuit is ready. Now let us see our code. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have included a servo library. After it, we have declared 2 objects of it, and at last we have initialized one variable named as presence to 0. Now in this void setup function, first of all, we are beginning the serial connection with the 9600 bits per second of speed, and after it we have configured the pin number 13 for the input purpose and 6 and 7 for the output purpose. After it, we have attached the first servo meter to the 3 number pin of Arduino and the second one to the 2 number pin of Arduino, and initially we are writing 90° to each. Now in this void loop function, we are reading the value from this pin number 13 of this Arduino and storing it in the presence variable. After it, we are printing the value of the presence variable in the serial monitor. And after it, we are using this if statement. If the presence value is equal to high, then we will write this first servo meter to 90 and the second one as well to 90. Means the gate will be closed if the train will be passing through. And we are making these both of these two red LEDs to glow. And if there is no train, means the presence value will be low, and we will write 0 to both, and the LEDs will also not glow. So in this way our code is. Now let us see how actually it will work. Consider this as the train path and this as the crossing road. Now for it, I'm clicking on start simulation. As you can see, initially no train is passing, this PIR is not detecting anything, and the LEDs are in off position, and both of these servos are at 0° and the vehicles can pass through this track. Now consider this as a train. This PIR sensor had detected one train, and hence both of these LEDs are glowing and these gates are also closed. So in this way it will work. Thank you.